Alright, welcome back to the vlog. We haven't been feeling very good the last couple of days, so I haven't been able to post anything. It is a beautiful day, and we're gonna go to a waterfall, I think, yeah? Is that what we're gonna do? Yeah. We're off to pick up our passports. That should be finally ready to go for our visa extension, and then off to the waterfall, so.
Check trong tủ sạch bọn anh nhá. Nó ngay như mùi nữa, bà nhớ bác cơ đang mê tao thôi nha.
Alright, we just arrived at the Chhay waterfall. The cops, I mean, I think we got stopped like at least twice. And we went through like at least four areas where they had police checks. So they charged 25,000 rial, which is like, I think like $6 or something like that, if you get caught with your front light on. Whenever you get a motorbike, they always turn the front light on, so just be careful of that. So I was able to talk my way out of a ticket just through, I don't know, kind of getting aggressive with the cop, to be honest with you. So just be careful if you come to Cambodia, there's cops everywhere. Okay, off to the waterfall, let's do this. So this waterfall is pretty cool. It's about a 45-minute drive from downtown Sihanoukville. It's a pretty treacherous drive. Dirt roads, big trucks, lots of dust. Probably be pretty hardcore during the rain. Pretty muddy with the motorbikes and so on and so forth. Our Asia series is coming to an end, and we are on our way to New Zealand as of probably the beginning of February. And we'll be in Auckland for a couple of days and then head south on a bus. So we're pretty excited about it. I've been really wanting to show you guys all the police stops, but it's strange. It's like every time I get stopped, either the camera's not on or it's not reachable. The cops are asking me to turn it off or something, but it's like I never have it ready to go. We've probably been stopped like 10 or 12 times. So I'm hoping by the time our Asia trip's over, I'm hoping to catch it, at least a few. Anyways, this looks kind of cool. I thought this one was ours, but. How much? Don't really know if you guys can see, but we've just stopped. We're overlooking basically all of Sihanoukville. It's really interesting. We can hear like all the sounds of the town permeating up through the hillside and up onto this property. Yeah, I was super stoked to go back to Cambodia and come down to Sihanoukville and check it out again. I think this is the third time that I've been here in my life, and it's changing a lot, so I'm happy that I came and saw the way it is now. We're gonna head back, and I got my eye on a Thai restaurant. We haven't had Thai food in a while, so there's a Thai restaurant. We're gonna go do some uploading, and we might have a beer or something. So stand by. All right, so there's a couple of different options. We should probably leave the street. They're playing like 50 cents, so we might need to go up there. There's also Utopia over here. That might be good as well, so.
Not on me.
All right, let's go to 50 Cent first, and then we'll go to this place.